This is from Team Nagarro Oryx, and we are all 5 members in this team. My name is Ashish. I'm working as a functional analyst and e-commerce specialist in this team, and Arun, Ankit, Shubhaman, and Dipen are the software engineers. Uh, the idea that we pick it is data generator from the AI tool. So we selected this idea just because everyone faced the challenge of product data. Who will create the product data? Every business, when they go live with the e-commerce solution, they face this challenge to write the product data. That's why this is the very first challenge that every business gets. And the tool that we created to solve this challenge is AI powered image to product data generator. And this tool use some of the AI algorithm and prepare the product data just with the image. So you just need to pick an image of your product and put it in the admin area and it will generate the product data. Even if you want to upload more than 1,000 or any number of products in the admin, you can just pick the images, write the name of the images in the Excel and then upload it. You will get the entire catalog in the admin. So that is the capability of the tool. The importance of this tool is in the e-commerce. It increase the customer experience, it reduce the time to go market, and it improves the data quality, and it increase the operational efficiency. And it is, if you have the good data on the product level, then you will have the good customer engagement. And it also contribute to the green energy as per our topic. It reduced the overall resource consumption by 80 to 90%. It saves the error error data 40%. It increased the 20 to 30% productivity across the team. And it also reduced the time in creating the product listing by 40%. And it is also the energy saving while uploading the catalog by 10 to 20%. And it is also a eco-friendly product. Everyone who just review, they wants to use it. So this is the graphical representation of the statistics that I just explained, how increased the efficiency of the user, how it helpful in the reduction of error. It is increased the product creation, and it saved the cost. So these all the stats taken from the government websites and the McKinsey analysis. So the reference is from there, the statistics reference. The next slide is the challenges and need of the product data in e-commerce. Everyone knows to create a product, there is a time-consuming activity, there is a chance of error, because if we do something manually, then there is a high chance of creating an error. And the data consistency is very sometimes it is not consistent when we manually create the data, and it always increase the operational cost of the entire team. And we found the similar need we found in the system, that to streamline the data entry work and to increase the efficiency and increase the accuracy in the data and to reduce the operational cost, we had a thinking of this tool generation. Next, we have the capabilities of this tool. Green ones are the capability that we are going to demonstrate, and the red ones are the future phases. So now I will hand over it to Dipen, who is our technical leader in this team. He will explain the current capabilities and the future phases. Dipen, over to you.
Thank you, Ashish. Yeah, thank you, Ashish. Alright, guys. So, as you are aware that we have built AI image to data product data generator. So, in this module, we are providing the capabilities to user to upload image. So, by uploading the image, entire product will be created: product name, product description, meta information, meta keywords, meta description. Same image will be uploaded to the product. We are also creating the concrete product. So in the current stage, we have considered a couple of scenarios, like let's say we want to upload bulk products right through the images, so we have created a bulk data importer. So in CSV you will define couple of parameters like SKU, image URL, and price and text set. These four parameter you will mention in the CSV, and you will execute the importer command we have developed, and those products will get imported into this Spryker. So with this four field, entire product will be created. So let's say you uploaded pocket images, then it will create the pocket product in the back office, abstract product and concrete product both. So that is the bulk import part. And back office, we have also created a GUI where you can upload the image and provide the image. Uh, Sorry, we have not created image upload option, but we have created a image URL option. There you can provide image link. So you either you upload image on S3 bucket or in CDA, and just provide that image into that text field, provide the SKU. We are providing user option to uh, we are providing user option to add the SKUs so that no, I'm not sharing any screen. So screen will be shared by Ankit after this slide. So here I'm just explaining like what we have developed so far, uh, what we will do in the future phases if we want to continue on this module. So right now I'm explaining just the backend part. All right. So so I was talking about like what we have developed so far. So we have developed back office GUI and we have created custom data importer module. In back office, we have option to upload uh, image. We will provide the image URL, we will provide the SKU, and we have text set field. These three fields are there. And when you click on save button, it will generate the product into the back office. It will create abstract product and concrete product. What we have not covered here, we have not covered price option, because price will be specific to that particular admin user, right? We cannot fetch it from the any API, right? There is option to fetch the information from the API, but we have not utilized. We leave it on the user to enter those price or utilize the Spryker's native price feature. All right. So for this implementation, we have utilized Google's Gemini 1.5 Flash API, which is tailored for user needing rapid response time without complexity, and it is multi-modal functionality. So it can handle the image and text and all those things it can handle. So we have utilized for images. We are providing images to Gemini 1.5, and in return we are getting the response of the uh, fields we requested. So here we are requesting name, description, meta information, attributes, colors, all those information we are requesting from the Gemini. And Gemini, most of you are aware that this is a multimodal AI functionality, and we have utilized those APIs. Also, one more thing we can achieve using this module is that, which is not developed in this part, but in future, if someone wants to continue, then this will be the beneficial for the marketplace, wherein on the front end vendor or someone upload the image, because seller doesn't have all the product related information all the time with them, right? They look good for information online, or they try to check with the companies, right? So by uploading just images, they will be able to generate the all the information for product, and they will send it to the admin to for the approval and all that. So that is something can be achieved in the future. So at this stage, we have covered this type of functionality, and we can also create our own data modeling and AI modeling, but which is not covered in this one. So next slide is to demonstrate back office functionality and data importer functionality. Yeah. So, uh, so first of
Yeah,
all,
here we
I
have
will
some of
bring.
the screenshots. And now,
Yeah, we
Ankit,
have
you
them.
can share your screen for demonstration.
Yes, sure. Uh, Let me know once my screen is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay, so as we know, this module is image to product data generator. For that, we have two flows. One is in back office. So in one back office, we have added this Jane product button, by which we can trigger that flow to create product data by images. So basically, we have to provide some, let's say, SQ and image link, which is the kind of main field. We can give any S3, DAM, or CDN link here, and text field, which is a mandatory field in Spryker that we have to provide here. And based on this image link, we will use Gemini Gemini API, which uses like text recognition, image recognition, and by which it creates this data like name and description. So currently, as we can see, it is created in English language, but if required, it can be also created in multiple language for multiple feeds. And similarly, so this is the abstract product that is being created. Similarly, a concrete product is also created, which have uh, like this name and description according to that image. And apart from name and description, we have also filled this field like SEO title, keywords, and description. So all this information is SEO friendly and in the format which is accepted by search engines, and also it reduces the chance to any spell correction or spell checks. And image that we have added actually is this image. So this for this image set is created and now it is linked to this product. Yeah, basically, so currently uh, we are creating product data like name and description and SEO, but it is not only limited to this module can create like attribute data also and like category, but this is part of future release. Like it is not developed yet, but the capability is there. So this is flow from back office, like how we can uh, create some product using images. And if we want to do it in bulk, we have a flow with like CSV import. So I have this one CSV with me, which I have created, and now I can import it using like normally this is a scheduled process. So now I will import it using a command, and which will then get added to like our system.
Ankit, can you show the image that you uploaded and the CSV as well?
Okay, this was the image that I uploaded from back office, and for that, like this Joe Melon Woods, this content is created, and it is created within the limit of like
You can see
normal.
it is a perfume or perfume bottle, and the description and the name is exactly same. A fresh and fragrance for the man and woman. So it is a kind of similar data that is generated from the image.
Yes, right. So I have imported that CSV file, and now these three products. Let me copy the names in SQLs. So if I now go into back office, these are actually the three image like products which are created from three different images. So here, let me open this image for this. This is the image for the perfume SQ product, and for that we have create like mod- module has created this name and description, and also it has created the SEO meta titles. And similarly, other products are also important. Yeah, so basically these are two close as of now. And yeah, thank you. That's it.
Thank you. Do we have any questions from the jury?
Thank you, Team Oryx. So just a question.
Yeah.
Louder? Can you hear us?
Yes, we
Yes.
can.
Okay. Yeah. So my question is, will this model work for a low quality image as well, or any image that has a background noise, different elements in the background? Will your model still work on it, or do you need to improve it? What's the current state?
So obviously the current model it is like Gemini. So it uses like OCR recognition and computer vision. So it works. It can work to a certain extent. But let's say image is very blurry. Obviously, it will not work. But we have also option like this module is not only limited like to use Gemini API. We can also set up, let's say, a Llama 3.1 on Google server and can use it, and we can fine tune it so it can recognize like low quality images or something like that. But obviously, if
Thank you.
image is like blurry, yeah, then it will have a
Yeah.
certain noise and that may not be possible.
Yeah, one thing I would like to mention here that it is nothing just an API that we are using. We are also thinking to create the own mind of the business. So if any business is using this product, they can also create their own mind. They can put some statements and the system can create the own database. So whenever someone will find with the image or create the product with the image, the data will be populated from the own mind as well. In case API doesn't work or API not provide the relevant data, then the own mind will also work. So that is a future phase. To create the own mind of the tool, we need to put some data from the business side.
Thank you, Ashish. Florian, you have a question?
Yeah, I have a question about numbers you had on a slide. You had a quite high percentage number of reduction of cost because of I think saved stuff, and also about something with the carbon footprint. Where do you have the numbers from? Because I didn't see any calculation on anything. Is this like a guess? Is this based on experience? This I'm interested in.
Just a second. Let me share it again. Seems I can't share the screen now. Let me tell you. We mentioned that it is a energy efficient operation, and by it saved the energy by 10 to 15%. So that means to create the product catalog or the product from the admin area, our resources has to invest the energy, and the servers that we are using that also take the loads when somebody creates the data from the admin area manually. So overall, as per the study, we found 10 to 20% there is a saving of energy if we use this tool. And these references are not took by us from the survey. It was taken by, there are 4 websites from where one is the energy.government website. Second one is the World Economic Forum and Harvard Business Reviews. We found these stats from those websites.
Okay, last question.
One side. If we are just going to process the same image again and again, then it will generate the same content again and again, or what?
Yeah, in this case, like currently it is generating same image again and again because we have defined prompt like this. But if we change it for like a different, let's say language or something, then obviously content can be different.
Okay, so in one language for one product, the content will always the same, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Like also, actually, there is an option to get multiple candidates for this response, but actually currently we are getting only one from Gemini API. So if we get like multiple candidates for response, then we can get multiple suggestions. But for now, we have not provided that option to choose our top three or let's say two candidates. We have just asked only one candidate, and we have given it set it in product.
Cool. Thank you so much. Big applause for team one.